Today we'll talk about how can you add your country on your Pay by Phone app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this and click on it here. Then it's going to show for us list like this. And all you have to do now, you just click here on account settings here. So then it's going to take us to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on personal information. So then it's going to take us to this list here. Then you come here to country, just click in this sign. So when you click in this sign here, so I'm going to click, sorry, I'm going to click on this sign here. Then it's going to show for a list of countries here, and I'm going to add this United States for example here. Then it's going to add with us here. You go down, you click here on save, then it's going to save video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.